All right, so now we're going to try one together. I have the same chart that was from the last question. The question now is asking, use the tables to answer the question. How many fewer people visited the park on Tuesday than on Monday? So what I want you to do, in just a moment I'm going to ask that you pause it, and I need you to help me come up with an equation that would match this question. All right, hopefully you came up with your own equation. So I'm going to write my equation down. So it says how many fewer people visited the park on Tuesday? So that would be 145. Then on Monday, which would be 202. So I need to know the difference in these two. So my equation would be 202 minus 145 equals, and then that's what we're looking for. So now I'm going to ask that you pause it and see if you can solve this using a number line, the same strategy that we used on that last question. All right, now that you have had an opportunity to make your number line, let's see if it matches up with what I did. All right, so what I'm going to do first is draw a number line. I know that I'm looking for the difference in there. So basically, I'm going to turn it into an addition problem where if I start here, I want to know how far it would take to get from 145 to get over to 202. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to add 5 to get a friendlier number. When I do that, I would be at 150. So I'm not at 202 yet. But now that I'm at 150, I can easily add another 50. That would put me at 200. And now I see that I just need to go 2 more. So now that I'm at 202, I need to see what the total difference is. So I have 50 plus 5 is 55. So 50 plus 5 is 55, plus 2 is 57. So I can see that there's a difference of 57. Hopefully you got the same answer and use the same strategy on a number line.